So utilizing this expandable foam right directly to the chicken wire made things totally strong and stiff. A great way to build some elements for it. The one on the side, I had stuck popsicle sticks in the cardboard to act as a little bit of a weight, and that worked really well. All right, so Arnie is playing with his new hot wire, shaping some southern Utah hoodoos.
Yep. Oh, I love
Show 'em
this.
how easy it is
Super
to cut.
easy.
Yeah. Yeah, these hot wires are a thing, but man, it kind of stinks.
Yep, yep.
But check it out. I mean, it cuts smooth and easy. We're gonna use these for other bits and parts for the, watch out, Panda. You might get your nose and whiskers cut off.
Super easy, super quick, starts taking form.
Yeah, and these are rough shapes. We're gonna cover this with other materials, and we're gonna, after we eat dinner, we're gonna prep for some paper mache. So we're gonna start working on some of the details. We do have a couple cardboard sub things to fix before we do that, but
Oh man, I love this thing. Look how cool that is.
Yeah.
Wow.
smells but cool.
Yeah. Yeah, the top is like
Little dinner break.
beautiful too.
Amazing meal.
Did you put like butter or something on top, like glazed it or anything?
And we
No?
get to
Oh,
look at
glazed
this
it
for
with,
inspiration in the video.
Egg.
or
Oh,
the
is that what it was?
layout.
Yeah. So it's just egg
This is
white.
Bryce Canyon. So these are like some of the hoodoos and stuff. So that's kind of what we're going after we eat.
Banana muffin.
And now dessert.
Oh, thank you.
So it's mostly oats.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're trying a couple things. First, this is the plaster. You know, I think they use this for casts or whatever projects. We're gonna try this out. Trying a lot of different things. Some things are more expensive. So there's another Elmer's glue that you mix with water, and I'm storing this in a peanut butter jar. Takes in some rag cloths, strips and stuff. So I'm trying this out too because the box is only like $6 and it makes a ton of glue. So I want to see how that compares. So we're trying a few different things. Arnie's doing a cool sculpture with the foam. The foam cutter's been really cool. We got some hoodoos over here that we're gonna put in. We're still gonna make this the steepest. Still gonna make this the steepest climbing wall, so we're gonna try to keep this open. We're gonna try to do some ledges over here with the foam. Try to make that one run at Moab, goes along the cliff. We're gonna try to mimic that one a little bit here. So I'm gonna go on to time lapse, and because there's a lot we gotta do, and enjoy. The plaster material went down real easy. I just had a little utility bucket and just dipped it in and laid it over, and it really sort of brings the finish together. And then I also had a product I bought, I'll show later on, I got on Amazon. It's like a gray paper mache shredded material, and you can see I'm wiping it on right there. And that is really light, and it does take a little bit longer to dry than the plaster, but you can shape it and smooth it, and we'll probably utilize that around the hoodoos, the styrofoam, to give the shape and structure that we need, and protection over the styrofoam a little bit. Okay, so I took this glue mix that was the paper mache, and I'm just trying this out because right now that glue does not dry quickly. So far, the best thing is this actual, what do they call that? The plaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so Arnie and I on a hike collected this local red dirt. And so I just laid a bunch of the glue down to try and fill the holes because as you can see, this netting, you know, you can see the material through it. And so I spread some glue and Arnie sprinkled the natural dirt. So we're gonna see how that goes. Arnie has sculpted this arch. It looks pretty cool. I'm hoping we can paint directly on the styrofoam, but I may have to wrap it.
Wrap it, yeah.
But this little corner now has a nice little climbing ledge to go up and a little V-notch right there if we can't get straight up. And then it's gonna tie into the thing, the arch over here, the big one. You know, that used to have a bigger curve, but it's now just kind of a straight angle. Maybe we'll do some things here to make it look more like an arch. And then we did some detail work going up to the tunnel, cave tunnel. Also the hill climb. And Arnie's also been sculpting the hoodoos. This one looks like, what is it called? I think it's called Thor's Hammer.
Thor's Hammer, yeah.
That they have at Bryce Canyon.
Yes.
Right? We did that hike.
Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Oh man, you got to visit if you haven't.
Or not.
Or not.
Keep the crowds down. Just kidding. You're all welcome. This other stuff, it is still super wet. And so that's why I'm not sure. I think I might just invest in a few more sacks or bags of this plaster. Because I really like the way it dries fast. I'm tempted, if this glue can dry fast, well, it's already 9:30. I was going to say I can come back out and try it out. I might check it a little later to see if it's, we can test out the scale models, but this is the tour of how things are going right now. Arnie's cutting a whole piece for this side. Give it some dimension. Oh, here it is.
It's gonna be going. There's gonna be more texture added to it, but this will be here.
And if you guys have ever been to Zion, they have this massive tunnel that goes all the way through the rocks. Or the tunnel goes through this massive rock section to go to the east side of Zion. And they have these cutouts on the side to let light in and stuff, and you can see out. So anyway, Arnie's built this cool
yeah, we still got more work to do on it for sure.
And then I still want to do a ledge. Maybe we can tie these ledges into this.
Okay.
Into the side here to make a couple of steps climbing up to round the corner of the hoodoos. And then, yeah, so it's coming along. I think this part of the project's more fun with the details. Although getting the cardboard down and using the trucks already was kind of fun. But yeah, this is where we're at. We got a lot more to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm gonna release this because it's been a few weeks since the other one. But we're excited, especially laying down this dirt. Hopefully this glue dries clear so it won't look like mud. But can't get more natural than natural.
You're awesome. Liked it.